Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2006 Honda Civic. If you have an issue with water on the floor for some reason, it could be rainwater or something coming in from the outside, but also if you have air conditioning, it can be a plugged up drain. Here's the drain right here. You can see water coming out of it. So this is not plugged. This is the passenger side of the vehicle. So you just get underneath here with your flashlight, take a look. You probably stick a stick in there or a screwdriver and poke at it, and yeah, that's where your water might be coming from. This is usually a summer issue where you end up with water on the floor, and it doesn't happen very often, but if you're looking for this video, hopefully this will help you. Water on the passenger side floor, maybe a plugged drain. All right.